Indian economy post-liberalization era. The third area of your UPSC CSE Optional Economics Paper 2. First syllabus. Post-liberalization era. New economic reform and agriculture. Agriculture and WTO. Food processing. Subsidies. Agricultural prices and public distribution system. Impact of public expenditure on agricultural growth. New economic policy and industry. Strategy of industrialization. Privatization. Disinvestments. Role of foreign direct investments and multinationals. New economic policy and trade. Intellectual property rights. Implications of TRIPS, guards and new EXIM policy. New exchange rate regime. Partial and full convertibility. Capital account convertibility. New economic policy and public finance. Fiscal Responsibility Act. Here in syllabus 12th Finance Commission. So you have to study the latest Finance Commission. Clear. In syllabus 12th Finance Commission. And fiscal federalism and fiscal consolidation. New economic policy and monetary system. Role of RBI under the new regime. Planning from central planning to indicative planning. Relation between planning and markets for growth and decentralized planning. 73rd, 74th Constitutional Amendments. 73rd, 74th Constitutional Amendments. New economic policy and employment. Employment and poverty. Rural wages. Employment generation. Poverty. Allocation schemes. New Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. UPSC syllabus. Optional Economics Paper 2 area Indian economy after independence post liberalization era. Clear. Here you have to focus current economic developments. Next, reference. First, Economic Survey of India. First reference, Economic Survey of India. Study the current economic survey and previous year economic survey. In our class, we will discuss in detail. We will analyze everything in the class. Clear. And will give a concise notes. Next reference, second reference, Union Budget. Current year Union Budget and previous year Union Budget. Clear. Especially collect schemes announced by Finance Minister. If you have time, you can listen Finance Minister's budget speech. Next, third reference, EPW articles. Read only selected articles from EPW. In my class, I will give the selected articles from EPW. Syllabus related articles only from EPW. There is no need to subscribe EPW. Selected articles I will give in my class. Clear. Next, fourth reference, websites and publications. Say for example, website of IMF, World Bank, WTO, ADB, New Development Bank, Government of India Ministry websites, Ministry of Finance website, Ministry of Agriculture website, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Rural Development website, Ministry of Small Industries. So government websites. Clear. Next, fourth reference, speeches of RBI governors. Speeches of current and former RBI governors. Clear. Next, sixth, reports of different committees. Sixth reference, especially recent committees. Only read syllabus related reports. There is no need to read all reports. Syllabus related points from committees, government websites, etc. I will give in the class. Clear. If you have time, you can, no problem. Next, please study the names and contributions made by some economists. Clear. So here, your reference, all reference noted here. I think some 6 reference here we noted. Current related. Clear. I will give detailed notes covering complete syllabus area. In UPSC CSE, we have to study syllabus in detail. Syllabus related areas. Clear. Then last 20 years questions. In post-liberalization era, we can expect questions connected with the current economic development process. Indian economy under new economic policy. Indian economy under liberalization, privatization and globalization, LPG. Clear. So we have to read current topics in detail. All these current topics we can collect from official sources. UPSC CSE 2022 Economics Optional Paper 2. First read question paper specific instructions. There are 8 questions divided in 2 sections. Candidate has to attempt 5 questions in all. Question numbers 1 and 5 are compulsory, and out of the remaining 3 are to be attempted, choosing at least 1 question from each section. Graphs, illustrations wherever required may be drawn given in the space provided for answering the question itself. Question from post-liberalization era. Question number 6C. What is the main purpose of General Agreement on Trade in Services, GATS? What are the services covered under it? Again a direct question from our class. So first part of question, please underline main purpose of GATS. Main purpose of General Agreement on Trade in Services. direct question. Just cut and paste our class notes. Second part of question, what are the services covered under it? Again a direct question. Next, question number 7b. Listen. Differentiate between current account convertibility and capital account convertibility. What were the preconditions recommended by Tarapur Committee 1 for adopting capital account convertibility? Again, question from our class. Convertibility. Current account convertibility and capital account convertibility. Tarapur Committee on capital account convertibility. Clear? Tarapur Committee on convertibility. This question direct question. Clear? Differentiate, underline. Differentiate between current account convertibility and capital account convertibility. Differentiate, direct question only. What were the preconditions recommended by Tarapur Committee 1 for adopting capital account convertibility? Second part of question. Just cut and paste Tarapur Committee recommendations. Clear? Cut and paste our class notes. Second part of question. What were the preconditions recommended by Tarapur Committee 1 for capital account convertibility? Direct question.